첫 번째, the first one. 꽃이 예뻐요. 꽃이 예뻐요. The flower is pretty, and in real Korean, it sounds like 꽃이 예뻐요. 꽃이 예뻐요. The second expression is 집에 가요. 집에 가요. I'm going home, but Koreans say it as 집에 가요, linking the sounds together. The third expression is 밥을 먹어요. 밥을 먹어요. I'm eating rice, but when spoken naturally, it becomes 밥을 먹어요. The fourth expression is 책이 많아요. 책이 많아요. There are many books, and Koreans linking it as 책이 많아요. 책이 많아요. The fifth expression is 낮에 만나요. 낮에 만나요. See you during the day, but in real speech, you will hear 낮에 만나요.